Another thing we have to remember, we can ask children to read these words like B, E, O. If you tell them double letters make one sound, they will be easily able to read the word B, E, O, bell, or D, O, L, doll. Or if we tell them C and K together make only one sound, K, ik, kick, or B, A, K, et, bucket, or A, B, it, rabbit, and st, ik, stick. But if we ask them to spell this word, it is difficult for them to know, right? Okay, we have to write double letter, double L, or double B, or CK. So they will write this way. Yes, B, E, L, bell, D, O, L, doll, K, ik, kick, B, A, K, et, bucket, A, B, it, rabbit, st, ik, stick. Phonetically, these are all correct. We cannot say these are wrong. So you can do one thing. You can accept the spellings as correct at this time. If they need to write these words for anything, like if they are writing a story, or if they are explaining something where they need to write these words, let them write this way, no problem. Otherwise, for dictation, use these. Don't use these words for dictation. Use these words only for reading. Okay. Segmenting with digraphs. Same as segmenting with single sound like rain. How many sounds are there? A, n. 3 sounds, just write them. A. We have to be careful while writing the digraph A, and then ask children to read the word A, n, rain. Boat. How many sounds are there in boat? B, O, T. Boat. Children have to be careful while writing the sound O. That's all. They should know how to write the sound O. B, O, T. Boat. Sing. How many sounds are there in sing? S, I. It's a digraph. Sing. That's all. Sometimes children find it difficult to read words that begin with 2 or 3 consonants like st, a, n, or st, I, n, or b, a, n, or b, a, sh. If we tell children first blend the consonants and say the consonant sounds faster, like str, instead of saying st, say str, they find it much easier to read the word. Bl, b, l, bl. Don't say blah. Okay, black. Yes, not black, right? So bl, we have to say the sounds clearly. Black, black. Now we can tell children a, e, o, a. These are short vowel sounds. We have learned this earlier also, right? And a, e, I, o, and u are long vowel sounds. Although words like name, date, day, all these words have a sound in them, but those a sounds are written differently. We have not taught children at this at this point of time, the other ways of writing long a sound. So if they need to write, they will write this way. Name, d, a, day, d, eight, date. We have to take the spellings as correct at this point, or we will try to avoid giving children these words to write. Okay. Once we will introduce alternative spellings, children will correct these spellings on their own. That will happen. So we don't have to worry. Okay. And